Today I'm going to show you how to stop this happening with your helium numbers and letters. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks. I'm a full-time balloon artist here in Derbyshire in the East Midlands. One of my pet hates is seeing displays with numbers and letters that won't stay in place and that they spin round and they spoil the look. So this is not a good look, I think you will admit that. And one of the things that I do is I use the U-glue dashes. So they are a relatively recent addition to the portfolio of products that we have available here in the UK, and I find them the best actually. The best thing for sticking balloons together, whether they're foil balloons or whether they're latex balloons. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you get your little strip of tabs, and I'm just going to peel one off. In fact, I'll peel a couple off, and then I just want to make sure I've got the right side of my zero. And I'm just going to stick the two balloons together at this point. So that's all we need to do. These U-glue dashes are so strong that this connection will be maintained. You don't need a large surface area to stick to. So I'm just going to measure here, and I'm going to put perhaps about 3 or 4 U-glue dashes along that point there. Okay, so that's what I've got, and then I'm just going to remove the backing tape. And at this point, I'm just going to stick the two balloons together. I'm going to just hold them in place for a few seconds. It doesn't take long. And then, there you go. And these numbers will now stay together, they will spin together, and they look a whole lot better than when they are spinning separately. I particularly like the U-glue dashes compared to some of the other adhesives that are available for balloons, because here in the UK we don't always enjoy the warm temperatures that other parts of the world do, and sometimes the other adhesives just don't work very well, and so far I have found these U-glue dashes to be by far the most reliable in this country, in this climate. So I'm going to be sticking with these U-glue dashes for as long as possible.